Hello viewers and Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to take you to a walking tour of a neighborhood market, a typical neighborhood market from where
This
you
is
get
the
fresh
Shangri-La
vegetables,
Hotel.
fruits, eggs, and fresh seafood, fresh meat, and other similar dairy items. And so every neighborhood has these markets, also called wet market. They open early in the morning and usually closes around the afternoon time. This
And
particular one
this
is
is the
right
Ban-U
adjacent to
Mosque.
the Ban-U Mosque.
This one. So this is the Ban-U Mosque, and the alley besides the Ban-U Mosque is the same alley, which take us to the neighborhood market from where we purchase halal meat, beef, chicken, and vegetables and seafood and other stuff. So if you want to purchase or buy halal beef or meat or chicken, then the best area to look around is around the mosque, because there are Muslim community shops around the mosque, and there's more concentration of Muslim houses and neighborhoods around the mosque. And on the right hand side is the Robinson superstore. So this is the Robinson Bangkok. So guys, this is the Robinson Bangkok, and that is the Ban-U Mosque.
Guys, check out these minarets that have golden work on top. And so this is the main gate of the mosque, and this is the entrance of the market, the neighborhood market. You can see the halal mutton shop right at the corner, and then there's a stall of fresh fish and a vegetable shop. But let me give you a closer look of the halal mutton shop. So you can buy all different kinds of mutton cuts, leg and chest and neck, and minced mutton. So the name of this shop is Yomana Mutton Shop, and they're closed on Monday. Note down the numbers in case you need to connect them online or through phone. You can connect them. And this is the entrance. Right after this corner vegetable shop is this halal beef and chicken shop, and you can see the guy with the cap. He is a brother Bhakti from Pakistan, from northern area of Pakistan, in fact the Hazara division. And So you can get fresh halal beef from the shop, fresh halal chicken, both broiler chicken and the organic chicken. Note down the number in case you need to contact him. So I usually sometimes call in and tell him my order, and request him to prepare the order and make it ready. And then I simply stop by, pick up my order, and pay him, and just head back to home. That saves a lot of time for me. So generally they sell boneless beef, but if you want with bone, you can pre-order them on the phone. Similarly, if you want some other parts like innards, brain, heart, liver, hooves, then or a special cut like tender bone or sirloin, so you can pre-order them on the phone and they'll arrange it for you. Um, the beef price is 240 per kg, and the price for white broiler farm chicken is 80 baht alive per kg, alive 80 baht per kg, and the price for brown farm chicken alive is 140 baht per kg. So they also have organically grown brown chicken, which are I think 180 or 190 baht per kg. But you can always call them and get the updated price list from them. Now, after Brother Bhakti's shop, leave one shop, and then you will find another halal chicken and seafood shop. This is a local Thai family who runs this um, halal chicken shop. They have all different kinds of cut pieces available, and they have all different kinds of seafood available, like fresh prawns, shrimp, squid, and other kind of seafood. And on this side, there's a stall that sells fish only, fresh fish catch of the day, and this one big boneless piece of fish will going to cost us around 400 baht, but it looks very fresh, catch of the day. So we are planning to fry it sometime next week. So that's a good deal. And then there are a lot more beef and chicken and mutton and pork and seafood shops in this area. Also, a lot of vegetable stalls, fresh vegetables, and then on this side you have more seafood and eggs, and general spices, clothings, and then more vegetable stalls, green vegetables, and that's the food court. And this whole area is an open food court, and you can see a lot of different vendors and stalls and hawkers are selling different soups and noodles and rice bowls, primarily local Thai cuisine. And let me just briefly, this is the parking area. You can park here your car or bikes, and they will charge you, I think, 20 or 30 baht. So let me give you one last brief look of the shops that are set up inside the covered area, which we just passed through, because there are some more
Eggs
um,
and
seafood
seafood,
shops and
and this
vegetable
is the
shops and different kinds of meat shops here. So vegetable shop, fishes and pork. So there is an abundance of fresh daily catch, fresh produce, and typically in these kind of neighborhood markets you see a lot of activity going on during the early hours of the day, like early morning and up till like 10, 11 a.m. in the morning. So people go out early in the morning, buy different fresh produce, fruits, vegetables, meat, seafood, and other stuff, and then they bring it and prepare it for their lunch and dinner. So you can see a number of stalls are actually about to close because they have sold all their produce, and that shows that these markets open quite early and then close around afternoon time. So this is also a halal meat shop, and you can see there's halal chicken, halal sausages, and fermented halal chicken steaks, and different kind of chicken balls, fish balls, duck, and boneless cuts. Note down the phone number in case you want to inquire anything about any of the offerings.
चलता है ना.
Guys, look at these beauties. I've made them myself from one big undercut chunk of beef that I bought from the market. And look at the master strokes. And I left these chunks of meat to make mince meat out of that using the chopper machine. And this is the classic beef stroganoff cuts. And again, look at the mastery and perfection. So I'm going to make a Pakistani dish out of these sliced beef chunks, and it is called pasinde. Do search it on Google. I hope you'll find a recipe for that. If not, then drop me a comment, and then maybe I'll share the whole recipe and preparation with you guys. So that being said, that's all. I hope you like this video and it will be helpful for you guys. Please subscribe to our channel to get updates and notifications of similar videos related to Bangkok, living in Bangkok, eating in Bangkok, and everything related to Bangkok. And like this video and share this video with your family and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully we'll meet again in our next episode with some exciting new stuff. Till then, take care and goodbye. But wait, just verify that you have clicked the subscribe button. Yes? Okay, goodbye.